Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors from Uno Hear the Voice, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, I'm going to kick it off like this because Uno know say tragedy hit my viewers and subscribers. I may just have to talk and speak on it. So hear this. 2 students killed in 2 vehicle collision, my wisdom warriors. It has come to my understanding that 2 students from Titchfield High are dead and several others injured following a 2 vehicle collision along the Blueberry Hill Main Road in Buff Bay, Portland. The incident occurred sometime after 4 p.m. It's understood that the driver of a blue Toyota picnic taxi lost control of the vehicle and crashed into the back of a parked truck. My wisdom warriors, you know what? Me come on, me plead with my brothers and sisters. Every single day, slow it down on the road, no? Slow it down on the road because this person did come fast. You understand? Because here I know. Remember say the truck park up, The truck park up and the way how the car mash up my viewers and subscribers and it take 2 life. This for sure I said listen, the car did in our high speed. You understand me? And I am encouraging my brothers and sisters, easy on the road. You hear what me I say? Easy on the road. That's all me have to tell you this morning. I just want to say, rest in peace to these 2 students and my condolence goes out to the family. And for the several person that is injured, I wish them speedy recovery. Anyway, hear this. National Security Minister Horace Chang yesterday heralded what he said was the success of the security forces in significantly disrupting the activities of gangs across the country. In his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament, Chang reported that at the start of the year, there were 244 active gangs in the country. him have to know, him have to know all these things. My wisdom warriors, this a man say, 56% reduction in gangs across the island. Una believe him? Because I don't know where they get for them figure from. Una believe him? If you don't notice, they're one-sided. Because them always say there is 2 gangs in a Jamaica. And if you don't notice, them always, listen, you see this here, it's a political strategy, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, it is a political strategy. Them look, only 1 gang them after. Una look, 1 gang them after. 1 gang and the next one in here for them gang and I hear nothing about it. You notice, you know what me I talk about. I don't have to call no name. You notice these people. Them people are one-sided. These people one-sided. And on top of that, nobody no believe this a rubbish where you come tell we about 56%. Listen, in the last video, he come out and he said 24% of murders reduced in Jamaica. Now we come and I say 56%. 56% gangs. Hey, Chang, please, go on home. Go and go sit down. Go sit down and go look after your grandpitney them. Because you come like you're still asleep. You know see how much things are going, brother? You know see how much things are going? As the next one gone, the other one rise up. You know see? So all you have to come out and talk about 56, top tell lie. Because let me tell you something, my wisdom warriors. Them only doing this to look good on the international side. That's all. I saw them stay, them lie. Them just a lie if them look good. That's all them do. Lie if themselves look good. And I do not agree with this figure. As far as me see, them a figure ya, nothing no go so. It's just a hype. You understand? They want people, they want tourists, because just tourists alone, you know. A tourist alone, they don't care about my wisdom warrior. They only want the tourists them feel like so they have things under control. But as when the tourists them land in Jamaica, then they will learn and know, say, brother, nothing under no control. Nothing under no control. Why not lie? Why not protect? Why not protect? Really and truly. So wait there, when things are happening in the country, nobody enough to talk about it. And true, because people come out and speak against the crime and violence that is going on in Jamaica, uno start to run off the mouth and say how we the people I give Jamaica bad name. Yeah? And I brand Jamaica. What I talk about? What I talk about? Uno sick on the brain. Uno sick on the head. Me not understand all these people that come out and chat shit. I said we are bring down Jamaica. How we bring down Jamaica? We not bring down Jamaica. The things that is happening in Jamaica bring down Jamaica. We only make it be known. We have to let people know what is going on. You understand me? So when me hear someone come out and attack, I realize that someone uno just a one dunce bat. You understand? People like uno not have platform because uno just dunce. It just don't make sense. Like right now, people don't even have water. People don't have water. Me not hear nobody come out and I say nothing. And you let's go sign some more agreement and collect how much billions. Me not hear him say nothing. But all them the money there. Signing the some more agreement. Go against Jamaica. Why him do that? Go and sign agreement will last for 20 years. Why would Andrew Wallace do such a thing? All them something that is not right. All them something that is not right. You understand? So when uno fi come out and show up, uno not show up. Not for uno. Not for uno. So me not really understand what is going on with these Jamaican cruff. Yes, man, me for uno cruff. When me talk about Jamaican cruff, me not talk about my brothers and sisters. Me talk about the one them when know what Andrew Wallace a do. And go on like they don't know. They know what Andrew Wallace a do, but because they die-hearted. Because die-hearted I kill them. And then with dead for Andrew Wallace, they come out and act like they don't have no sense. A cruff you call them. Friggin' cruff. I'm in a care. Oh, listen, me tell you something also. Me see them a report my page. A report. Hey, me tell you something. You see, me is a purpose child. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All cruff. Me is a purpose child. You can't stop me. You hear me? You can't stop me. Because when I come on this platform, I not tell lie. So when you run out and I report my page, you can't stop me. You can't stop me. This for sure, the set of heart you have. The set of heart you have. The mindset you have. The mindset you have. I try for you can't stop a purpose child. Me tell you that. None of uno. None of uno labor right. Can't stop hot off of the press. No day, no time, not all. So the report on I report me thing. Uno better mind. Uno lose phone one. Uno hear me? Uno report me. Hey, are the wrong thing uno do. Do not trouble me. Me tell you that coming and trouble uno. Me just send out a warning, you know. Me I tell you that. Do not trouble at half of the press. Because at half of the press is a purpose child. And I come here to speak for the voiceless. And I'm standing up for my truth and my rights. I don't stay like uno worthless labor right. We come out, run out, and I report people page. What kind of heart uno have when I report? Uno just a come and report my page. Come like uno sick in on the head. Me tell you something. Uno hop off of my fender. Uno hop off of my fender. Uno hear me? Hey, because you see anything trouble me, you know I go get it worse. So remember me tell you no, you know ramp with at half of the press. You know hear me? This is a powerful channel. This channel is a powerful channel. And then go on my other platform, them my wisdom warriors, and them a report me thing. But one thing me I tell you no, you can't stop me, you can't stop the message. A God lead me to do this. Me tell you that. And a devil, a God lead me to do this. And this a channel and me other channel them. God in it. God is around it. God is above it. Let me tell you that. And a God run it and lead my channel. So no matter what I do, you can't stop me. Not there. Me tell you that. Not there. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, So what I'm trying to say about Horace Chang, she know Horace Chang need for bill. Horace Chang need for bill. I'm going to look after and grandpin them if he have any. Because he's a waste of time. And so, me tell you no for no me come out and me attack my mind. You don't hear what Talk Your Mind TV say. Talk your mind. You understand? And that me I do. So so me come out and attack my mind and attack up the things them, you don't have a problem. You don't have a problem. Me tell you no, me no sell out. Me no sell out like uno. Uno get paid if you come out and I tell lie and I spread propaganda. God no like ugly. You hear me? Everything when me I do it from my heart. Me I do it because I love my brothers and sisters. Me I do it because I love my country. Me I do it because I want what is best for my children, future. Una do it because una sell out and una get paid for do things. Me not get paid for do nothing. Me I do it because God lead me for do this. So me want to hop off of my fender. Wanna hear that? Right there so. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, as I was saying, Horace Chang just need to go because he come out and I spread pure lies and I tell pure lie I try to trick the people them. Instead, just like he master. You understand? From the top of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream also dirty. And that's the thing there. Anyway, you tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding says any constitutional reform effort is doomed to fail without the consensus of the opposition. Speaking on a news Monday, Mr. Golding says his experience on the matter suggests that the attempt will die if both political parties do not see eye to eye. The recommendations of the Constitutional Reform Committee have been forwarded to the Cabinet for review. Want to see that, my wisdom warriors? The recommendations of the Constitutional Reform Committee have been forwarded to the Cabinet for review. This is despite the refusal of the opposition members to sign off. So me tell you, these people, them still not care. They want to do what they want to do. And then you have Marlene Malao come out spreading lies and run off our mouth and attack about this Mark Golding. I talk about Mark Golding want it his way. No. Mark Golding no want nothing his way. Uno want it phone away and do not want to follow policies and procedures and do the right thing. Uno no want to do the right thing. Uno claim so no want. I always say this. Remember, so we not gain independence fully. A trick then trickery, my wisdom warriors. Because you can't say you gain independence and then you have another man a watch over your island. That no make no sense. So what Mark Golding is trying to say, uno hear what Mark Golding say. Somehow, Mark Golding said, it make no sense to not have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. If una go remove the monarchy, remove the Privy Council, nothing wrong with that. That's all he says. So, but una now look into it, say, true, Andrew Holness is a part of the Privy Council, Andrew want continue getting big money, and that's why Andrew Holness want the Privy Council to stay. So really and truly, we never are going to break away from them. We never are going to break away from them. You understand me? So, Jamaican people, know what is independence? Know what gaining independence mean? You understand me? So, when me hear some little dopey bat attack, need to go away, man. Need to go away. Need to move up and go away, because you don't know nothing. And Marlene Malao a paint a bad picture for Mark Golding. And Marlene Malao, you need to stop it. Because Andrew Holness acted unlawfully with the Constitution regarding Vibes Cartel DPP case. You understand me? And what did you do? What did you do? You did nothing. And you knew Andrew Holness was breaking the law. So who the hell is you? Fear come. Hey girl, go away. Go away. Who is you? Fear come out and I come make decision and I come bring things to cabinet. Who the hell is you? When you have your boss, you is a legal constitution woman, and you know what your prime minister was doing and you never stop him. My viewers and subscribers, I hope you open up on the eye, you know. I hope you open up on the eye, you know. This is an eye opener, you know. These people break the law of the lands, break the constitution. Andrew Holness break the constitution. Marlene Malao sit down and allow that to happen. And she is the minister of legal constitution. And she did nothing. This a woman enough in this role. They need to change her now. They need to move her up from this, so. Because she knows that our boss did do something wrong regarding the DPP, and she did nothing. You understand me? You say, uno need to stop it, and uno need to come out and talk truth. Uno need to stop it, and uno need to come out and talk truth. You understand me? I want to hear what Bruce Golding say. Bruce Golding say, it don't make no sense. Una come up with all this and the opposition assigned to it. Basically, that's what he's saying. It not gonna work. That's what he's blatantly saying. But Andrew Holness, he might run down presidency, can really want to be president. They know so the 60th are going to name out, so they want to hurry up for signature sign. That not going to happen. Mark Golding, sir, do not sign anything. Make them gal and go do what them do. Make them gal and go do what them do, because Mark Golding tell them already. Say no republic if there's no CCJ. That is what Mark Golding said. He said if there is a republic, there should be a CCJ. There should be a Caribbean Court of Justice. So I must say, no republic, no Caribbean Court of Justice. But if them say they want republic and they want privy council, you know, make up on the mind. You want to gain independence or what? Or what? Really and truly. So Jamaican people, up on the eye and look into this deeply. They might make it look like, say, yeah, this is a serious thing, you know. You know that. This is a serious thing. And Mark Golding know what he's doing. He know them. The whole of them are criminal. Me tell you that the whole of them are criminal. You see them there. Andrew Holness go right down the whole. Andrew Holness not for come and say nothing to nobody. Because Andrew Holness not declaring asset and no one in breach the law. Prison should end there. And nobody can talk to him. We don't want a criminal to be our prime minister. We do not want a criminal to be our prime minister, and that is final. And I agree with Mark Golding 199.9%. I agree with Mark Golding. No republic if there's no CCJ. I agree with that. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and on a big up on a nice clean self. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page, guys. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.